Here we go. Can we go left soon?
Yep. A little bit of some civilization here. Just a touch.
Turn left onto County Highway 41. Then the destination is on your left.
Oh, that's not it. Yeah?
Yep.
Alright.
600 feet. The destination is on your left.
Really?
Roxbury.
Holy crap, yes it is. Got this?
I do.
Oh. Roxbury South.
The
The
destination
office
is on your left.
is right
The
there.
Roxbury.
Roxbury North, Roxbury South.
Arrived.
Oh, that is cool. Right.
Well, like motel rooms.
Yeah. But not ours, I don't think.
We'll see. Well,
Hidden within the beauty of the Catskill Mountains is Roxbury, New York. And in Roxbury, New York happens to be one of the most unique hotel motels you may ever visit in your life. Each room at the Roxbury has its own unique theme to it, and none are alike. Here we'll take a quick tour of the interior of the room and the exterior of the Roxbury itself. What do they have? Don't know. It's continental breakfast, huh? There are many rooms to choose from, but this room obviously caught my attention, my love for the stars. The George Jetson Spacepad. The only suggestion I would make is that they make the shades long enough to darken the room, so you have to really wait until nighttime to really get into this thing. We will definitely be back. This is next level theming. Each room is different. Some have multiple bedrooms and can hold families and parties, so we will definitely be looking into that. Do yourself a favor, next time you're up in the Catskill, New York area, check this place out. The Roxbury Motel in Roxbury, New York. The bath was something else. This thing filled up really quickly. It has really high water pressure, and it's got a really neat little wand, so you can kind of shower while you're in the bathtub. It helps out. Till next time, this is Epcot 1986 EO coming at you. We will see you soon. Later. So smash that like button.